What's going on, guys? FadeitLuie here, bringing you guys a brand new video. We're gonna be doing a high bald fade with detachables, so stay tuned. We're starting off with our first guideline, contouring it to his head shape. You always want to make sure you're not pressing down too hard with your trimmers so you don't make a too harsh of a hard line. Also, don't forget to stretch the skin or the ear if needed. Now that we're done balding them out with our trimmers, we can move on to our foil shaver. But before we use our foil shaver, we want to apply some shave stick so it doesn't bump up. You also want to make sure you're stretching the skin when using the foil shaver, just because you could burn them if the skin is too loose. I hope you guys are enjoying the video. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe is greatly appreciated. Also, make sure you watch to the end. Now that we're done removing all the stubble with our foil shaver, we can move on to the top of the capitus and start to debulk with our 1A guard. Now that we're done debulking the top and sides, we can move on to our next guard. I like to use my OA guard as my no guard all the way open. Now that we're done creating our second guideline with our OA guard, we can move on to our 3-op, also known as the 000, and continue to erase our initial guideline. Reminder, you want to flick out as much as you can with this guard. Now to remove the guideline we created with our trimmers, we're moving on to our 4-op, and we're flicking out the bald line. Now we're moving on to our 1 guard. This guard is going to connect to the 1A on top. Moving on to the back, we're going back to our 3-op and we're flicking out that initial guideline. Now we're heading back to that 4-op just to flick out the bald line. Moving on to the 1 guard, this guard will help us connect to the 1A on top. Moving on to the hairline, using our Gold FX, we're going to line them up starting off in the middle and working our way to the sides. I'm being very careful not to take his corners back because he is a little light. The fade has come together really nicely. We used the OA, 1 guard, 1A, and 3-op and 4-op guards. Moving on to his hairline, using the Turkish razor and Derby premium blades, we're gonna make him as crispy as possible. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I appreciate you guys, man. Leave a comment if you made it to the end. That's the only way I'll know. I'ma definitely comment back.